guess what today is? Today is Cameron's first day back riding and we are so excited. I thought we would take you a day in the life. This channel, again, I say this a lot, but this channel is more from my point of view. So for the people that are mad that I'm in it, you're getting the wife's perspective. So let's go.
Good bike day.
How excited are you?
What's that?
How excited are you right now?
I'm stoked. It's been a long, almost 5 months, and it's ready to ride. I'm super stoked.
How much did you miss just waking up and going right to the rower?
I actually missed it as much as I need it. So,
yep.
We'll work on the gym stuff, by the way.
Yeah, we're working on it. Yay, I'm excited.
Me too. Breakfast.
Pancakes. Protein pancakes, to be fair.
Gluten-free protein pancakes.
Yeah.
They're bomb though. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to.
I'm eating this for breakfast, and he's gonna put some of that on. Got a snack. This is his favorite track snack.
I'm a professional breakfast maker.
You are. I'm not a big breakfast girl, so
self-proclaimed.
I think you're really good at it. That one's big.
I think I only have enough to make 3 big ones, so.
Someone commented on my Instagram video the other day.
Yeah. Saying
something about your pan choice for the pancakes, and I was like, you know what? That is an odd pan for pancakes.
Well, you know why I picked this one? Because the other one, that's not as deep as this, which obviously you would expect me to like use that. It doesn't have a flat bottom. Like if I was making,
you'd have to do like one at a time.
If I was making a pancake, like a full-size pancake, here, let me show you. I'd run it up with this guy, obviously, because that's like a pancake pan, right? Because you like, but how am I supposed to make like my? You just have to make baby ones. Nah, I'm out on that. Just driving out in the middle of the desert. We got police training to the right. We're just out here. No, I'm just kidding.
It's time.
GH, baby. GH on a Tuesday.
You know you're excited when you show up 20 minutes early, and Cameron is not an early guy. He's an on-time.
I'm not late though.
No,
I'm not late.
He's an on-time guy. But we're early today, right?
Yeah, I mean we're early-ish, yeah. But I think the reason that we're actually early is because I'm used to showing up around 9:30, so like my morning routine was around the same time that I usually do my morning routine, like on riding days. And then like we're starting to ride later today than what we usually would, so that's why we're early. We're back.
Can we stop for the bathroom?
Hi, good morning. Good, how are you?
Doing good. This is where you're riding today?
Yeah, RAM track. Vet track guy today.
Just happy to be here.
Yeah. I think I've ridden this track one time. Oh yeah, I love the drink of choice.
What flavor do you like?
Oh, cherry for sure. Cherry.
It's
my new jam. Every morning we come to Glen Allen.
Flavors?
Hey, do you have my boots?
I knew you were gonna say that. I don't got any of your stuff.
What's your mood today?
What's what?
Your mood.
Oh, I jive every day, right?
Yeah, he's like,
it's really good.
It's just another day. What gear should I wear? This?
Yeah, I think that.
Over this?
I like that one.
Over here.
stoked to be back. I got blisters on my toes already, for sure.
tape them?
My right foot now. I didn't tape them. But like my right foot gets blisters from braking. So, got blisters on my toes. My hands are good. They're coming.
How happy are
Fun.
you?
Stoked. Really happy. Feels good to be back around the team. See all the guys working. Back in my environment. Got a flat tire, tore some grips already. Dirt bikes.
Let's see.
Not bad at all.
No, just one little guy right here.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Once I get on like a real track, like a, you know, like a full outdoor track, my blisters will be, they'll be real.
See your mouth. What would you rate your day?
10 out of 10.
Wow.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Got a full garage up in here.
Smells like race gas in here. I love it.
That's what we love you. I like your slides. Check. Love you too.
Have fun.
I will see ya.
Bye.
Dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one.
So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is kind of a week in the life of me as Cameron's wife and all that entails. As you guys know, our life is busy, and since he's riding again, we're back in our normal routine. Sorry, I get like psycho when I get these wipes out. This is our normal routine that we have all year, and I love having a routine, so I've really missed this. This is just stuff that I don't normally film because I think it's boring, but yeah, this is his first week back, so first week back in this normal routine that we have. So yeah, I thought I would just film it and do a week in the life and bring you guys to the track. So yeah, he rode Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday. We're gonna go to Orange County and meet up with Who from Fox, and I think we're gonna stop at the shop. And then, yep, he's riding tomorrow. So we are back at it in this routine, and I realize now how much I miss it. Obviously I missed it when he was hurt, but we really try to not just dwell on like what happened and just be a bummer all summer, because it is what it is. We couldn't change it, so why be a bummer all summer? So we had a great summer, and we are so happy to be back. And my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna plug it in while I get ready, and then I will finish doing my cleaning for the day. I either do this in the afternoon or in the morning, depending on what we have to do for the day, and I am free in the morning, so I'm doing it right now. Okay, it is quite a few hours later. We went to Fox, and Cameron got some new gear, and then we went to lunch with one of our friends there. And then we came home, and Cameron is doing some bike work right now in the garage, so I'm gonna go hang out with him. Can you guys see Chip?
Chip's just chipping.
See him?
This.
I think that's the swing arm.
Yep.
That looks like the black.
We got Picasso working over here.
This is not part of my weekly routine, but
Dang, girl. That's good. I'm impressed.
I don't know how I feel about it yet.
Chip, are you impressed?
No.
Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me. Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me. Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me.
Do you wanna go to the track? Do you even remember that? You want to? Do you want to?
Alexa, play Kelsey Ballerini interlude full length.
Shuffling interlude and similar songs on Amazon Music. Full length and similar songs on Amazon Music.
It sounded like you said full blank when you said it.
It was love, but it wasn't faith. My mama's asking if I'm okay. The internet says I'm moving away.
My riding breakfast.
Looks really good, actually. How much would you pay for those?
Those are $18 pancakes for sure.
It needs whipped cream.
And some like maybe a little flour or something that they put on there.
Powdered sugar?
Powdered sugar. A couple strawberries for some color.
Yeah. I thought I was recording that whole time. Chip, do you know who's about to come over here?
Who?
You're literally your best friend.
Who?
Kyle.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. Kelsey.
That's literally his favorite person.
I'm not talking about Nicole. Like, there's
No,
no
Nicole
way.
does not care about
Nicole
you, Chip.
hates you.
This is exciting, Chip, huh? You haven't been here in a long time.
Buddy, you're gonna have to move though. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna have to move. Beat it.
Come right here.
Can
Rest.
smite each other. Got a flat tire.
You're a pro.
Dirt bike rider, not mechanic. Bike wash day, baby. Catching me a nice tan, washing my bike. Like, it's Saturday. Did a bike ride this morning. Life's good.
I just got a package in from Dirt Studios, so I wanted to show you guys what they sent me. They have like vintage looking Supercross, motocross shirts and stuff, and they also have these hats. They sent me one like earlier in the year that's bright yellow that you guys have seen me wear a lot. So 2 new colors. I will be wearing these non-stop. This black one is to die for. Then we got a Washougal shirt. Love it. Unadilla, they're racing there today. This one's like really soft. This one is really cool. It says this, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing this, but this one is sick. The collar's like really like wide. I don't know how to explain it. And then this is mine and Cameron's favorite. His too. I showed him. He was like, I love that one. So he might steal this one for me. But it's super, super sick. So yeah, thank you, Dirt Studios. You guys need to go check them out because they have the coolest stuff, and every once in a while they have like actual vintage stuff, and it's super, super cool. So go check it out. Anyway, that is kind of a week in my life as the wife of a dirt bike racer. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing these more and bring you guys along for our life. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind